Good morning children, welcome to my class. So we shall continue lesson 10, that is shapes. We have already done 4 shapes. We have written the definitions, isn't it? So that is sphere, cube, cuboid and cylinder. We have already discussed in our previous classes. So today we shall start with cone. What is a cone? Okay. You see here, we are going to write about cone. The best example of a cone is, you can say birthday caps, then ice creams, softie that you get in the cones. Okay, so that is the best example of cones. Okay, it has a point at one end and a circle at the other. Okay, a cone has a point. Write down a cone. A cone has a point. A cone has a point at one end, and a circle at the other, isn't it? The circle portion you put it in your head, like in the example of birthday caps. If you put the birthday cap on your head, the circular portion you are going to put in your head, isn't it? Okay, so it has a point at one end and a circle at the other. It gets thinner and thinner at the top. Okay, it gets thinner and thinner at the top. As it goes to the top, it becomes thinner and thinner. Okay, example you can write down birthday caps. Example, birthday cap. Okay, or birthday caps you can write down. Then you can write down carrot, then ice cream cone, ice cream cone also you can write down. Okay, so these are all examples. Even a carrot can be also an example. Okay, so all these are examples. Now children, page 67, I already said you to trace and color these shapes. In the book itself you are going to do this. Trace and color the shapes. Now you see, next page you turn, that is rolling and sliding. We are going to discuss rolling and sliding today. Please see in the picture, rolling, you see what type of objects can you roll? Cylindrical objects you can roll. And what are the things you can slide? The things like cube and cuboid, which are of these shapes, cube and cuboid, you can slide. Okay children, so you see here, this write R for objects which will roll and S for objects which will slide. So you see the shapes, please keep in mind the shapes which are cylindrical. Okay, the shapes which are cylindrical, they can roll. Those things can roll. Okay, like glass, you see a glass can roll. Then a roller stick, your mummy makes chapati or roti with that, that can roll. Okay, a bottle can roll. Alright. Then a candle can roll. All these things can roll easily. You will have to write R beside them. And S, like dice, you see dice, the shape of a dice is of a cube. A book, it is rectangular, it is like a cuboid. The book is like a rectangle, so the shape is of a cuboid. Then calculator, that is also a cuboid. Okay, then eraser, you see, that is cuboid. Then you see a straw is kept in a glass juice packet, it is also cuboid. Okay, then you see here, all these beside all these things you write down S. These things can slide easily. Alright, so you write down S. And rolling, see, beside watermelon you have to write down R. That can roll easily, R. Okay, and beside you see here, it is like a cap. So beside that cap, you see, it is like, the shape is like a cone. So you write down beside that S. It can slide easily. Okay, So we will discuss this in our next class also. But you should know which are the things which can roll easily. The shapes will be like cylinder. The things which can roll easily, the shapes will be like cylinder. And the shapes that can slide easily, the shapes will be like cube or cuboid. Okay, so please keep in mind and do as directed in the class. Okay, just go through this, children, and you have to do this one, page 68. You have to do this in your book itself. Okay, thank you.